Are you ready for the next big thing from Apple? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is the talk of the tech world, and we're here to share all the exciting details, especially the price. Rumored to launch around September this year, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to start at $799 for the base model and could go as high as $1,299 for the Pro Max variant. With Apple potentially bringing back the beloved curved edge design, this flagship promises to be both innovative and elegant. Packed with cutting-edge features, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to come with the powerful A18 Bionic chip, industry-leading cameras, and a sleek, futuristic design. If these rumors hold true, this device will undoubtedly redefine the smartphone experience. Whether you're a professional photographer or a tech enthusiast, this iPhone might just be your ultimate companion. Wondering where to get it? We've got you covered. Click the link below in the description to learn more about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Don't miss your chance to own the most advanced iPhone yet. It's time to upgrade your tech game. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more detailed and unbiased reviews of the latest gadgets. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let us know in the comments, how much do you think the iPhone 17 Pro Max should cost?